Welcome back. Home Department has received around 12 suggestions on shifting of casinos to proposed places. Government has proposed to shift casinos at identified places in Aguada Bay, Shapora, Sal and Zuari rivers. Thursday was the last day for public suggestions, but Home Department has received meager suggestions. On the other side, police have stopped operations of Casino Pearl of Bogmalo Beach Resort after Generation Next exposed the casino functioning without a license from 6 months. Hue and cry to shift casinos out of Mandavi River seems to be just a play game. Government has proposed Aguada Bay, Shapora, River Zuari and Sal as identified places to shift casinos. Government had given a time frame for public suggestions on shifting of casinos, but Home Department has received around 12 suggestions only. Meanwhile, operations of Casino Pearl in Bogmalo Beach Resort have been stopped. Police ordered closure of the casino operations at the resort. Gen Next had exposed that the casino is functioning without license for 6 months. On the other hand, Communist Party of India has demanded shifting of casinos out of Mandavi River and beyond 5 kilometers from high tide line.
काजिनो मांडवीन दवरपाची मांडावळ आसा तेका आमचो विरोध आसा आनी आमी सांगता की काजिनो हाय टायड लायनाच्या 5 किलोमीटर भायर वचपाक जाय.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Aam Aadmi Party has raised doubts on credibility of Anjuna police over probe in molestation case of a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Valmiki Naik questions how the accused in this rape case went absconding immediately after a complaint was lodged at police station. AAP has slammed lethargic attitude of police.
Police need to give full information about as to how an accused in a child rape case gets the information about the complaint and becomes absconding. We have heard that he lives in the same vicinity as the local MLA and the Water Resources Department Minister, Mr. Mandrekar. But we cannot make any accusations at the moment. The school has a CCTV system installed. We do not simply understand why is the police waiting to receive the footage and from who. So we want to ask who released this information to the media that the medical report does not confirm the rape or that the medical report is inconclusive. So if this is not rape, we don't know what can be counted as rape, especially when you're talking about a 10-year-old innocent schoolgirl.
Meanwhile, court has adjourned hearing on Sudhin Dhavrikar's degree row for 15 September. Aam Aadmi Party has filed a petition against Sudhin Dhavrikar for providing fake degree in election affidavit.
आम आदमी पार्टीचे कार्यकर्त्यांनी अंडर 156(3) CRPCचे ॲप्लिकेशन घातलें कोर्टान. तेची आज दुसरी हियरिंग आशिल्ली आनी आयज ॲडवोकेट आश्विन बोबे अपियर जालो भितर आनी तेणें कोर्टाक लेटर दिला की तेका अपॉयंट केला स्पेशल पब्लीक प्रॉसिक्युटर ह्या केसीन आनी तेणें 2 weeks टायम घेतला रिप्लाय फायल करपाक आनी आतां ती केस 15 सप्टेंबर सांजच्या वेळाचेर दवरल्या. त्या दिसा फकत रिप्लाय घालतले ते आर्ग्युमेंट तेजे फुडल्या डेटीक जातले.
Omkar Farari with Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Kadamba Drivers and Allied Employees Association has declared to support 2nd September nationwide strike. Association has strongly opposed Road Transport and Safety Bill 2015 by the Union government. They claim that the bill will finish state public sector transport undertaking. Association has also demanded rollback in Provident Fund percentage from 10 to 12%, abolition of contract labour system in KDCL and bonus for festival.
पहिलो मुद्दो जो आसा वो आमचो सेकंड बंद जे आसा तेका फूल सपोर्ट आमी दिवपाक हो पयलो आमचो मुद्दो आज कॉन्फरन्स आमी घेतला. 2 सप्टेंबर जे बंद आसा ते सगळ्याच्या फायद्याक लागून आसा आनी प्रोविडंट फंडाक तुमकां ऑप्शन कशेंच दिवपाक घालून दिवचे ना आमी. तुमी हे कंपल्सरी करपाक जाय. एश्योर पेन्शन एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट टू KTCL कॉर्पोरेशन. मिनिमम वेजीस सरकार करता. आमी हांव रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह कितलेच फावट केला मिनिमम वेजीसाक पूण पेपरार तिका जाता रेटी जाता पूण ग्रावंड फ्लोरार येयल्यार कार्पेट फ्लोरार येयल्यार कांयच जायना. आतां आमचे स्विपर कादंबान आसा तेका 380 रुपया दिवंक जाय आतां तेका दिता 230 रुपया. कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टम इमिजिएटली बंद करूंक जाय. लोकांक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर हाडटा 15-16 वर्सां जालीं एज पर द लॉ 5 वर्सां जालीं म्हणटच त्या वर्कर्साक फिक्स करपाक जाय. प्रोविडंट फंड सगळ्या कामदारांक पयलो 12% आमचो कट जातालो डिपॉझीट जातालो. तेणी इमिजिएटली कोणाक कळनासतना कामदारांक सांगनासतना वो नोटीस दिनासतना त्यांनी 12 आलो 10% केलो की आमचो इमिडिएटली रोल बॅक कर म्हणून 10 आतां परतो 12 कर म्हणून हो एक आमची मागणी आसा.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.